Today I'm fixing interface for Infinity. This interface will fix in Infinity, Nissan Petrol, Infinity QX60, all new model, which has touch and navigation in it. It will work with this interface. This interface, what it will do, you can see this one is the new original factory screen, which doesn't come with Android system or anything, just like the factory thing. So we connect with this interface with this screen, and now you can get more Android features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or YouTube, anything you can play with your original factory buttons. You can see here all these buttons will work with the OEM interface. So we don't need any cut, any wire. You can see this is all plug and play. All the wire going here from here to you can see here all the wires from the factory wire jacks. This is the interface jack, so no wire cutting at all, and it will not affect your warranty. Using Android interface for Infinity QX56 2011 model. So the current situation is now is there is a touch screen, there is navigation and all the information coming here. So we cannot make a full screen here. So that's why we found a solution now. In the original screen, you can see you can just play the USB button, and that's it. The navigation is old. It's 2011 model, so it's useless. So now we fixed already the box. Now if you press this button for 3 seconds, it will show you these options. So here is a new navigation, which is Sajic, and it's downloading now, and after that you can see the navigation and speed cameras, everything you can see. It's same like the Google Map, right? And then you can see here is a video button. Before you cannot play video, but now you can just we install here two USBs here, so you can just charge your phone. So with this interface, I am giving one software which is called Systream. It's a paid application, and once you click it, you have 5,000 online channels like Arabian, NBC, all including Arabian. You can see NBC HD, NBC One, your all favorite channel is here, and it's live, so you will not miss any of your program while you're driving the car. You can see here all these channels are here. Plus, if you are you'll want sports channels, all the live channels are here. See, BT Sports, Bind Sports, and then all Sony, ESPN, all are here.